What up, guys? We are back in Pittsburg, California, and I thought it'd be right and fitting that I show you guys the progress of everything going on. All right, so you've seen the house before. You guys see it now. We're rocking, guys. We got all the junk out. We got all the tenants out. We got the work started. The walls are patched. It's looking pretty good. It's already looking like a real home. It's looking like a home that we can live in. So let's run the cameras, and I'll run you guys whether we're on track or not. Let's go. So some of the neighbors told us that the house may or may not have bed bugs. It is, I don't know, it's not confirmed yet, but just to be safe, for the safety of our future buyers and for the safety of our crew, we bought like 8 of these things. We about to launch it in there. Fire in the hole. Remove or cover, expose food. There's no food. Shake well before, how does it work? I just press down? All right, well, let's shake it, baby.
Canister spray straight up.
Yeah, let's go. Shake it, guys. We charge like $1,000, I think, to do this. You know, but because it's preventative, we're gonna do it ourselves. So let's go.
It's not too bad. I am spraying for bed bugs and fleas, just like the professionals do, but for a lot cheaper. Call me for pest control. But you gotta clean up first. I'll spray your house, no problem. Yeah.
Yeah. Shake it, 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 shake it. Man, we rocking, y'all. You guys smell that?
It doesn't smell like shit.
It smells like money.
Yeah. Get it all in there.
Fire in the hole!
Let it.
It opens which way?
Point away from your face.
Ah, shit! Ah, shit, Ray!
Away from your face. Get out of here. Let's go. Let's go.
It goes up.
Yo, we got a couple more.
Huh?
They're over there. Yeah. Ah!
Get out.
Sheesh.
I thought it was sprayed forward, but it's sprayed up.
Oh, it got your hand?
Yeah.
Where's the water? Oh no, Ray. Go to the neighbors. Your finger's about to fall off. It's good, it's good, it's good. Whew, good job.
Ray got affected. Oh, no.
Ray almost lost a finger, guys. Ray almost lost a finger. Okay, so we closed out this property, I believe the 2nd week of August. We had to let the last renter stay until September 1st. He did move out on time, which is freaking phenomenal. We got the crew in there. It's now September 10th. During this 9 days, they were able to break down all the crap that was inside the house. They were able to break down all the sheds, cut down the weed plant in the backyard. We got about 20 days, okay guys? 20 days to get this project done and on the market. I mean, I think we're gonna be a little bit behind schedule just because there seems to be a lot to do still, and the little fine tuning and the little handyman work and all the little stuff is actually gonna take a little bit more time, but that's okay. As long as we can get this thing on the market by the 2nd or 3rd week of October at the latest. Get 2 weekends of open houses, get this thing in contract, close it with a 30-day escrow. By December 1st, we will be rocking, guys. So I hope you guys like the little status update. I think the crew's coming back in on Tuesday. It is now Friday. So I'm hoping that they'll be able to go back in, start painting, get the cabinets in, and really just start doing all the little finish touches. And it's gonna look amazing. Let's go, guys.
And
if you guys like this video and you guys like the journey, please make sure to subscribe, guys, and hit the comment section if you guys want me to go more in depth about how to find deals, how to flip homes, and what we look for, and we can really analyze deep the numbers again. Like and follow, guys. Thank you.